Okay, you can see I'm still on the bed sleeping. All right. Uh, I'm trying to make a trade. This is a high bar. Okay. And I'm trying to do a trade for 10%. Okay, you can see where is it? I'm trying to take a trade for 10%. And you can see as fast as possible I've made 10%. Now, this is just one trade. So assuming this is the, okay, guess what? I can still do one more. Reason I'm doing one more was because the price went down a bit. Okay, in just under 1 minute, I've been able to make 20%. And mind you, I am still lying on the bed. In fact, I'm tired. I didn't feel like getting up today. I wanted to rest more. But under 1 minute, I've been able to make 20%. Now, how did I make the 20%? Look here, what I have here is called a high bar. Okay. Usually, I prefer trading sell signal more than buy. But because I'm tired, I don't want to wait. I cannot wait. That's why I've done just two. So imagine me being able to make in fact, let me do it this way. Let's look for calculator. There is this calculator something, calculator website. Just a minute. Okay, let's say I have a, let's even use the $5 you just saw me trade with now. I have $5 and I want to be making 10%. I'm not looking at even two trades, just one. Okay, every day. I'll do that every day for 1 month. So if I do that every day for 1 month, what will I make? I hope you're seeing this. It says I can make $15. I'll make times 3 of it. I'll make 300%. Now, are you saying, you are going to do straight, no losses? What about losses? I'm not even targeting, okay, I'm not even targeting times 3. I'm only targeting maybe half. Give me 1.5. Within a month, I'm okay. Now, it means I'm profitable. Now, this, mind you, this is just 10%. And this is just touch that I just showed you. Okay, what I just traded is touch. There is accumulator. There is goes outside. There is ends outside. So I have like 4 different options I can trade on Deriv. Okay, I think I'll be having a training in the month of October. Please watch my video. Try and post. I think I have made a post about on-site, online, whichever is preferred. But I know online will be more preferable for people who are outside Lagos and all that. Now, you learn how to do it strictly and also work with bots. Okay, because there are some of us, let me try and reach out to you who I know you have issues with trading. You lack control. Okay, I have a bot that can do that for you. Okay, I have a robot that can do that for you. You are not, let's say you are not that available to trade. You know that every time you are trying to trade, you are going to be you are going to be messing up big time. So I have a bot that can help you to trade as well. But if you also want to trade and develop that habit whereby you develop that habit and you have good standing, okay, there is a way you can get to do it. Okay, there is a way you can get to trade, and this is one bot right now. Okay, right now for this, I have accumulator connected to it, and I have goes outside connected to it. Very soon I'm going to be adding a torch to it. It's actually because I'm a bit tired, that's why I've not even connect the torch. So there is a torch that is going to work on it. You saw what I just traded. It's just one trade, two trades. Let's say you are even making 2 trades per day. You are okay. You don't need plenty. Okay, you don't need too much. This one now is a robot. Okay, I can start it and it will start trading. It's connected to my Deriv account. Okay, it will start trading. These are its performances for the previous month. This is this month. It has not done many trades this month. Okay, because I've not had time to be starting and stopping it now. But these are all the trades and the record right now. Like okay, okay. I think we should be able to catch a signal now, if not to, except we've already missed it. It's already running, and you can run it on your phone, but you have to stay with it, okay? At least 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, you get good results, and you are done. So it's simple, it's easy. Don't stop aiming for big bring down your objective. Your objective is too high. I need you to understand, if you've been following me or watching my video long before now, you will know that I used to trade and make 300% every day. Now I'm telling you, you don't need 300%. The peace where I get now is different from the peace I had when I was doing 300%. I need you to understand, they are not the same thing. They are very, very different things. So guys, see you in another video. God bless you.